Here's why shorter backswings win more points. In pickleball, you don't need a big backswing to win points. In fact, a shorter backswing wins more points more frequently. Just remember, the longer the backswing, whether on your forehand or your backhand, the more ways there are to miss. This is especially true near the kitchen, where long backswings are death. Whether it's a volley, where you take a long backswing to hit it, or a drop shot. Long backswings are the path to losing. You don't have time in pickleball. You don't have space. And the ball is coming too fast to justify a giant backswing. It's okay to take a big backswing if the ball is set up, you get a floater, and you're about to hit a drive. But even then, the longer the backswing, the more margin for error. All the best players, their strokes are compact, they're efficient, and they're minimum. Just remember, do less. If you want to win more points, train for shorter or smaller strokes, whether hitting off a wall, shadow swinging in front of a mirror, or target practice. This is especially true on a return to serve. Some people, they have hard serves. They blast the ball, and you have to react quickly. You don't want to have a weak return to serve that sets up a potential winner and you can't move into the kitchen behind them. Efficiency is everything. Shrink the swing and grow the results. So what I mean by that is, on your forehand, you're hitting a C, the letter C. C is for cookie, but it's also for pickleball forehands. Okay, you want to hit a C where you turn with the racket set up high like you're dancing, drop down low, paddle, pointing slightly down, and swing up. But that doesn't mean that the swing is giant. Doesn't mean it's big. You want it to be little, compact. You don't have all the time in the world. You're not swimming in time. So if you want to have a strong return, you have to incorporate the right swing mechanics, but in a smaller space. So just like that. It's similar to tennis. If you saw or if you watched Djokovic, Federer, anybody who's hitting a return to serve off a 180 mile an hour serve, maybe 140, not 180, but maybe 140 or 120, you have to have a compact swing. In pickleball, I think the hardest serve is Ben Johnson's like 68 miles an hour. That not as fast as a tennis serve, but you're in a smaller court, so it is pretty fast. Gets on top of you pretty quickly. You gotta have a short swing. So remember, turn early, short swing, and like this video and subscribe if you want to see more pickleball instructional videos.